Hello friend, today I will tell you about the newly designed experiment in which we can calculate the thermal conductivity of copper material by using the angstrom method. In this experiment we are using the equipment. First one is the power supply and second is the sample material assembly, which is built in the assembly and having 4 temperature meters to read out the temperature from 1, 2, 3, 4 at 4 points of the copper rod. In this experiment we are using this point is the variable by which we can vary the power supply, which is internally connected in the apparatus. Here it is a voltmeter which will show the voltage that we are using for heating the copper rod, and second is the ampere meter which will show the load taken by the oven which is connected at the first end of the copper rod. Now, and these LEDs also are given on the front panel. First LED will show the time on, and second lower LED will show the time off of the heat pulse which we will give to the copper rod. And in the similar way, this control switch is also given on this front panel, which will divide the time from 8 second step to 10 up to 10. And on the same way, here is a T of time. One step is given here 8 second also, and total step is 80 seconds. Now we will going to switch on the apparatus. Here both the meters are showing 0, 0. Now we will increase the voltage here. Suppose we are selecting 35 volt to heat up the copper rod, and this LED will show and this LED will showing the off time of the, and it is shift to red LED which will show the on time of the power supply. On and off time will be shown by which current is taken by the load of the heater. And in the same way, we will suppose we are selecting the 1. On the same way, here we are selecting the 1. It means 8 seconds pulse at on time and 8 second pulse at off time. It means heat pulse is goes to sample material 8 second plus 8 second, T on plus T off. Total time period will be 16 second. 16 second heat pulse will be given to sample material like copper rod, and it will start to increase the heating. Here we will note down the first temperature, which is called T1, second temperature is T2, and third one T3, and last fourth one temperature is T4. We will note this temperature at the particular time period. Like if we are selecting the 1, means 8-second pulse will be goes to copper rod, and we will count the number of LED on and off. LED on means our heater is on, and we will calculate, note down the number of counts. Suppose we are counting 1 at on time. Similarly, this second count, third count, fourth count, fifth count. After 5 count, we will note the temperature T1, T2, T3 and T4. In the same way, we will goes to note down the further reading after 10 count and 15 count, next after 20 counts, and we will take the 5 sets of readings from this dial readings and calculate the observe the all calculations, and these parameters will be helpful to calculate the thermal conductivity of the copper rod. That is the end of the demonstration. Thank you.